School Rocks Nation presents How Light Makes Us See Things. Grade 3 Science, Quarter 3, Week 5, Day 2, Revised K-12 Curriculum. Hey kids! Close your eyes. Do you see anything? Now open your eyes. Do you see the objects around you? Imagine your eyes are still open, but you are inside a dark room. Can you still see anything? No! Even if our eyes were open, we could not see anything since the room was dark. Lesson language practice. Travel. Travel means to move from one point to another or to change position or location. Scatter. Scatter means spread out or disperse in different direction. Bounce. Bounce means to spring up after hitting a surface. Experiment time. Look through the side hole of an empty shoebox with the top hole covered. What do you see? You can't see anything inside of the box because it is dark. Shine the flashlight through the hole on the cover while looking at the hole on the side. What do you see? I can see the inside of the box. I can see that it is empty. Can you see the bottom, top, left, and right side of the box? Why? I can see the inside of the box because it was illuminated or lighted up by the flashlight. How does the light travels from the flashlight inside the box as seen in the picture? The light from the flashlight spreads out or scatters from the flashlight. If the light spreads out from the flashlight, how does it reach your eyes? It bounces off the inside of the box, passes through the viewing hole, and then reaches our eyes. Look at the illustration above. Inside the box is a toy car. You look at the hole in the front panel, but the top hole is covered. Will you still see the toy car? No, it's dark inside the box, so we cannot see anything when we look through the side hole. This time, put a flashlight on the top hole. Let's turn it on. If you look inside the box, will you see the toy car inside? Why? Yes, since the inside of the box is illuminated or lighted up, I can now see the toy car. How we can see when there is light? We can see things because light helps our eyes. When light shines on an object, the light bounces off the object and goes into our eyes. Our eyes then send a message to our brain, and the brain tells us what we are looking at. So, without light, our eyes cannot see anything. Direction: write T if the statement is true and F if it is false. Number 1, we can see objects clearly only when there is light. Number 2, light bounces off objects and enters our eyes so we can see them. Number 3, we can see objects just as well in complete darkness. Number 4, Turning on a flashlight in a dark room helps us see things better. Number 5. Our eyes and brain work together with light to help us see. Here are the answers. 1. We can see objects clearly only when there is light. T. Number 2. Light bounces off objects and enters our eyes so we can see them. T. Number 3. We can see objects just as well in complete darkness. F. 4. Turning on a flashlight in a dark room helps us see things better. T. And number 5, our eyes and brain work together with light to help us see. T. Direction: write the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Why can we see objects around us? A. Because objects glow on their own. B. Because light helps our eyes see them. C. Because our ears helps us see. Number 2. What happens when there is no light at all? A. We can see everything clearly. B. We can see a little bit. Or C. We cannot see anything. Number 3. When light shines on an object, what does it do? A. It bounces off the object and goes to our eyes. B. It disappears. C. It turns into sound. 4. Which of the following helps us see in a dark place? A. A pillow. B. A flashlight. C. A book. 5. How do our eyes and brain work together with light? A. Light enters our eyes and the brain helps us understand what we see. B. The brain makes its own light. C. Our eyes see even without light. Here are the answers. 1. Why can we see objects around us? B. Number 2. What happens when there is no light at all? B. Number 3. When light shines on an object, what does it do? A. 4. Which of the following helps us see in a dark place? B. 5. How do our eyes and brain work together with light? A.